Hi, I'm Francis. Let me show you this cozy corner terrace situated along this very serene and quiet section of Joo Chiat Place, where towards the end of it is the Telok Kurau Park and Siglap connector, meaning there won't be any vehicular access through. Now, this two-story regular shaped corner terrace has a land size of about 2,006 square feet and faces the south generally. It has a wide frontage of about 10 meters and its white corner here faces the east, meaning you won't tumble into a west side setting. More importantly, this freehold corner terrace of yours holds tremendous potential for further expansion and build up towards the front, towards the side, the rear, of course, upwards as well. Now, let me show you the interior of the house. Fantastic! Now we have seen the house. This is a price to sell house. In fact, the price has just been recently reduced to 3.6 million. It's a must sell and will sell house. Question is, are you the next blessed owner of this freehold corner terrace? Call me to create your dream now. Cheers.